Hello everyone, it's Shamina here, and welcome to my Tech Tasty channel and brand new video. And today we are checking to the pretty prompt, pretty prompt instantly improve AI prompts in a one click. Now check it this out. Now I am write a content here, write a prompt here, and here's the improve prompt. Just improving here. Here is the polish form. You can expect content marketing. Here is the generated prompt for me from improve prompt. Then this is for exactly apply. You can apply this or refine. When can I refine this? And what specific type of basic content you're looking? Blog post or landing page or like a production description? What is the target audience? What is your content? You can choose here for what is the permanent goal on SEO. You can increase website traffic, and this for suggest for this better timing. And I can go there for the improve for the first one and the apply. And now this the result is the company step by. Here is the step one. There's the right here for the ChatGPT. This I think the best result for us. This is prompt in this prompt pretty prompt are. Okay, this is the result, final result. You can check here, and this is the main prompt for improve my prompt. And this so easy. And when you also use in the Chrome extension, Chrome extension here for pretty prompt and free also you can use three prompt generation per day. Here is the improve prompt. And also you can here in the extension pretty prompt, you can open here and enter your prompt, just write it prompt or improve prompt. There's also into the here is the you can check here. Also you can use for open the chat gpt, open Gemini and cloud, open cloud here to improve your prompt. This is handy feature. And this pt prompt or license tier 1 is 29, prompt per month 200, user 1, yeah, up to license tier 4 399. You can choose here whatever you want and whatever for your perfect for your fit. Refine prompt, native language, snooze button, drag and drop and respond, and the reposition button you can check here. Also you can check here for the questioning. And there is what is the very helpful links how to install is between compatible AI chatbot feature of the brand, how can you install. And you can check here for your further questions and anything here for in the description below. Please buy from it. From this I can get an affiliate commission.